Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Honda VTX1300S retro model. Spoke wheels, lots of chrome. This is a big 1300cc V-twin, liquid cooled, shaft drive, gorgeous metallic red paint with a nice flame there on the tank. It's equipped with engine guards, a great sounding Cobra exhaust system. I'm going to fire it up for you so you can see how she sounds. Nice long flared fenders. It's also got saddlebags, passenger backrest, and luggage rack. This is a shaft drive motorcycle, so no chain to mess with. If you're looking to make your big V-twin dreams come true, come by, check it out. Only $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. And this bike has low mileage, just 13,000 miles on the odometer. Let's see how she sounds. If you've been looking for a great buy on a VTX 1300, I think you found it. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. 2004 VTX Retro 1300S. Just $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.